going out there in the YouTube world? How y'all doing today on this glorious day? Just to let you guys know, it's my first video I'm putting out on my own. I normally run with Out Country Sales. My wife Amber, we have a nice YouTube channel over there if you guys want to go check it out. But I'm Flippin' Mike, and I'm going out right now to try to pick up a snowmobile to flip, fix, and just get shined up. And she got a 1999 MXZ 670. So I want to show you guys what I do with my toys. Maybe you guys find it interesting. Maybe you guys would take some of my advice, get out there and pick up something for yourself. Maybe go outside, have some fun with some outdoors, some motorized toys, or anything. Oh, it's bright out there today. Hey guys, we're back heading through my little old town called Edgerton. So for all you Wisconsinites out there, if ever heard Edgerton, let me hear a hell yeah. I don't know about any of you guys out there, how about you comment down below, but I'm always looking around. I see a car on the side of the road, I don't care, it's a piece of junk. I'm like, well, what do they want for it? What do they want for it? What do they want for it? So, I don't know if you guys are like me in that way, but you can, comment down below. Just like junk on the side of the street. So I figured I might as well tell you guys a little bit about myself. Regular middle-aged dude, about to be in my 40s, but I like to flip, I like to sell things. I'm a handicapped dude. I miss one of my legs. I take a lot of time with my family. I love to spend a lot of time with my family. I like to do a lot of outdoor things, and that's what we're trying to accomplish here on this channel. Is I want to do a lot of outdoor things. I want to do a lot of working on things, and I want to show you guys too that you can make money, or you can have something even if you don't have a lot of money. When I was growing up, I was pretty poor. Never really had anything. If I wanted it, I had to buy it. So I started just grabbing just junk and putting it together and see, what I can make out of it. I've gotten pretty good at it over the years. So hopefully this one that we're going to pick up right now is another gem in the rough. The last one. And we are here, boys and girls. Let's go check this thing out. I see he just pushed it outside. So it took us a little bit to get here, but we made it out. So let's go check this thing out and see what we got. So what we got here, what's the story on her?
I bought it back in March. Went to Michigan for it. I bought it to build a drag sled, and just haven't had time to do anything with it. When I bought it, it did start. It ran for a few seconds, and then it would die right away. But other than that, I really haven't done with it. I've tried to start it a couple times, but haven't really.
New plugs?
New plugs. I put new plugs in it. I put new caps on it.
You getting spark?
Yeah.
Getting spark? Got compression?
Got 150 pounds of compression.
Yeah? On
both cylinders, because that's the first thing I did.
Yep. When
I got it here, because the guy I bought it from said he had new rings put on, new gasket, had the cylinders honed. But that's about as far as I've done with it. I haven't really done much with it. Yeah. And it's one of those things.
I know the thing.
I mean, I would love to keep it, but just with everything going on, I just.
So you never heard it run? Like
no. I heard it idle for about 2-3 seconds, then it would die off.
And it would just die out.
Yep. And now I just tried to start it the other day. I mean, it turns over freely and everything like there. You can definitely tell, the compression's there. But I couldn't get it to pop.
Okay. Well, you don't mind if I grab my couple of wrenches and stuff, pop spark plugs, check down the cylinders? You know what I'm saying?
No, that's fine.
It's buyer beware in this kind of deal. So, all right, now we're recording. We're recording it, and I said she's pretty, and she said that it was her. But yes, pretty cold. Pretty cold. But yes, she is pretty. Look at that seat, guys. Boom, good seat. Beautiful track. Beautiful track. She's gonna need a little bit of work there up underneath the hood. She's gonna be all stripped out, took apart, cleaned out, gone through. Bam. Now there's something to play with. Come on, you sick-minded people. Not that. Now there's something to play with. Yeah! Time to get cranking on this sucker. So I'm real excited for it. I can't wait to start tearing into this thing. You're here with Flippin' Mike. This we're gonna call Miss Skidoo. Miss Skidoo. So her name is gonna be Miss Skidoo for right now. So say goodbye to Miss Skidoo. Thank you guys for hanging with me. I greatly appreciate it. Love, 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 love all of you guys. So give me that thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, man. And hopefully we'll make this channel grow together and you'll see what's to come. And we got a lot of stuff to do. That's what's to come.